One of our biggest challenges with holiday lighting has been that it's not bright enough, but I'm very pleased with these pumpkins. The LEDs are bright orange. They are so cute from a distance. They spread about 3 feet apart and about 3 feet off the ground. You can connect multiple sets together with the 9-foot lead of the wire. And to me, they look great both spread side by side or one behind each other on a path. They're 12 by 12 inches, and then the stake is about 24 inches. My best guess is it's a thick, durable plastic with a coating on it, and it sticks really well into the ground for me. So it's got some solidness to it. It's connected with little pieces, and the stakes go in the ground quite easily with a sharp point. When you look up close, you can see the lights are wrapped very tightly around the metal, so I think they'll stay great in all kind of weather conditions. They seem durable enough. I wouldn't use them in a hurricane or anything, but they should be fine when you put them outdoors as they're designed to be. They do arrive flat packed in this box. I plan to keep it because you can assemble them and then deassemble them at the end of the season and put them right back in the box, which is going to be great for storing. But you can literally set this whole thing up in, I don't know, I'm going to say a minute, but it won't even take that long. You put the 3 pieces together, put the stakes, the wires are already connected between all the pumpkins, and it does plug into a standard outlet. There are 8 light settings, and I'm just going to kind of go through the different settings. I'm personally partial to the solid, but it's fun, especially when you kind of want more of like a spooky Halloween vibe, sometimes to rotate between pulsing and blinking, and you do have a lot of options available to you. No batteries needed. You plug them in. They are water resistant, so I have no issue with that. Pretty festive. They seem durable, super easy to set up. I think they look pretty cute day or night. They do a great job lighting up our pathways. They add charm and brightness and give us that holiday flair we were looking for. If this was helpful, please give it a like so I know to make more videos like this.